To ensure professional painting results, it's important to spray with a good technique. If you're new to spraying, before starting a paint project, consider practicing all of the following techniques with water. This will save you time and paint once you're on the clock. Your spray gun should be held perpendicular to your surface and should be 12 inches away. Holding the gun closer to the surface deposits more paint and will produce a narrower spray pattern, while holding the gun farther away from the surface will result in a wider spray pattern with a thinner coat. Remember to begin moving your gun before pulling the trigger and release the trigger before you end your arm motion. This ensures that extra paint will not be deposited on your surface in the form of sags or runs. Always avoid arcing or holding the gun at an angle. Doing this will result in an uneven finish. Keeping your wrist and arm locked in a fixed position while moving your feet will achieve this proper technique. Move your gun horizontally or vertically across the surface at a constant speed. Spraying at the correct speed allows for a full wet coat of paint to be applied without runs or sags. To ensure even coverage, alternate from left to right and right to left for horizontal spray pattern, or top to bottom and bottom to top for a vertical spray pattern. Properly overlapping your spray pattern is essential, and you'll want to overlap your previous pattern by 50% to ensure an even finish. For corners and edges, split the center of the spray pattern and spray vertically so that both sections receive an even coverage. When using a shield to spray, hold it firmly against your surface and angle the gun slightly away from the shield and toward the surface to prevent paint from being forced underneath. If you get a tip clog, stop spraying and lock the gun trigger. Never adjust or clean your tip without first locking the gun trigger. Turn the tip 180 degrees. Unlock the trigger and spray into a bucket until the clog clears. Now relock the trigger and turn the tip back to the spray position. Unlock the trigger again and test your pattern. If it is clean, you're ready to paint. Repeat as needed until the tip is clean and the pattern is perfect again. Remember to take the appropriate safety precautions when you're spraying and avoid possible injection hazards. Never trigger your gun unless the tip is either in the spray or the unclogged position, and always engage the trigger lock before removing, replacing, or cleaning your tip. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.